In Diglipur, it is often happen to see that they have dug this like open wells type. So monsoon is going to start. Recent means very recently it will start. So the peoples are getting prepared for it. See, it is very near to road. They have dug open well. Here you see, I'm surprised and amazed to see this. Wow, gives pleasant. Wow, they're pumping water into this open well or diggy or whatever you call it. Wow. See this activities there you can see one new one. So this all very every 1 meter you can see this. So this will automatically uplift this groundwater level. It's a good active of this people of this Diglipur. Very nice. Wow. See this dig is just opposite to that. Just one road separates these two land. I felt so much happy to see this. See, it may be more than 1500 or 200, 2000 maybe square meter. In that much area, they have dug a well, maybe for rearing or fish. Very good. Here, the farmers were well aware of that groundwater and they have dug very often. After 1 meter or 10 meters difference, you can see a new well. See how big it is. See how big it is. See here also you can see water bodies. It is very the standing water of this Nala. This is Madhupur. I am standing from Madhupur area. Here you can see here also one is there diggy, open diggy, just 10 meter away from that big well. What we saw, I saw now from there. See here also you can see water bodies. In Diglipur, there is no scarcity of water, and water is fully utilized. It can be utilized for farming purposes. Very much fertile for the land, and it is good for the farmers. I'm surprised. Means I'm feeling so much happy to see water. See. Good, no? I hope you also enjoy. Right? From new location, new content, or new video, I will meet you. Take care. Bye bye.